Hello and welcome to this lecture where we'll go into working with live dashboards. So this is continuation from the cryptocurrency pipeline so that we have the data flowing into our topics through the producer. The producer is publishing the events to the topic, and then the consumer has been consuming the events, reading them, and then synced it into Postgres. And the step left here is to actually create a dashboard that will be served after the sync, so that this dashboard will connect to the Postgres sync, and then it will visualize data. And the idea is that we'll make it live so that when new data comes in, the dashboard will update itself. So this will be really interesting. Let's dive directly into the code. So I'm now inside of the code, and as you can see, I'm in the producer, but this is exactly the same code as in the last lecture where we were into the Postgres sync. So just to recap, what do we have here? We have our Docker Compose. It contains the broker, it contains Postgres, it contains Control Center and the schema registry. And then we have our producer that gets the data from the Coinmarket API, right? And then we have the main. Here in the main, we produce the data. And then finally, when we produce the data to the topic, we go into the consumer, we read the data. So we read the data and we do some transformations and we sync it. And I've seen that when I've copied this, I forgot to copy the .env. So remember to have your .env file as well. So now I've copied in my .env file, and inside of the env file, we have our Postgres for the Postgres connection and for the API key, right? That was called Coinmarket API. Okay, and with this, I think we should get going. So let's go into the terminal here. And let's start it up. So Docker compose up-d. So I will open up these containers, spin them up. So Docker PS, you can see there are 4 containers, perfect. And we will do like this. I will go into src. And I will run my producer now. Let's see. Python coin producer.py. Yes, it works. It's starting to produce events. I will have my other one, source.when.bean.activate. And now I will do cd source Python coin consumer. Okay, it doesn't work because it needs to have scop g2 pip install quick streams to fix it. Okay, didn't I do it? uv pip install, let's see, streams Postgres SQL, like this. Okay, yeah, it installed it. Okay, Python coin consumer.py. Yes, it works. So now it's getting the data in. Okay, so I'll create another terminal. Yes, we have a lot of terminals here. And now let's see what we are going to do. We're gonna create we'll do this first. Source.when bin activate. So I activate this one, and then I will install streamlit because we need that for the dashboard. And also, let's see, do I need pandas? Probably uv pip install pandas. Okay, I already had it. Okay, great. So let us create a dashboard application now. Okay, so you've seen the video of creating Streamlit dashboard. So then you probably have some basic knowledge. So let's do that. So import Streamlit. And then we also do need some more packages. So uv pip install Streamlit _auto refresh, because I need to refresh it in order to get the live data. And also I need something else, an SQL alchemy, in order to connect to Postgres. Okay, am I satisfied with this? Yes, I think I am. Or really, I need one more. Install env, right? python-.dnd. Yes, it's already installed. Okay, great. Now I'm satisfied. So let's do that. So from streamlit auto refresh, import st auto refresh. From SQL Alchemy, import create engine, import pandas as PD. And then we need to take some stuff from constants in order to the connection. So basically what do I want? I want all of this, basically. Everything that starts with P here. Okay. And then from, let's see. Now let's do the connection string. And I'll copy paste it so that I don't make a mistake. So you can actually copy it as well from my lecture notes. So this is the connection string that we need to connect to Postgres. And then this is interesting now. Let's do like this. Def load data query with engine dot connect as connection. Okay. And then df equals pd dot read SQL. And I want to read from the query, and I want to put in the connection here. So based on the query, I will get back what the data I want. So for example, select star. So df equals df.set index. I will set the index as the timestamp and then return df. This is basically what I want to do. But the engine, we don't have that, right? So we need to create an engine. Engine equals to create engine connection string. Let's see, connection string like this. Okay, so am I finished here? Let's try it out. Equals load data. And remember that we had a table called the Bitcoin, right? So select star from Bitcoin, print df, run this one. Let's see, it says what can be ignored. Yeah, now we get the data. Okay, great. So we have the Bitcoin data. So you can see here is the data, and we have timestamp as the index, right? So we have coin, price, USD, we have the key, and we have updated. Okay, so now we have Bitcoin data. So let's create our layout. So def layout. Actually, you could move this load data elsewhere because we shouldn't put everything inside of the dashboard. But that is for you to clean up. I won't do that. So basically what I want to do is like this. So df equals load date, select star from Bitcoin. Yeah, we will work with that. So st.markdown, let's see, coin data, and then st.markdown latest, then st.markdown. And this will display live data from Coinmarket API. Let me see. Yes. So st.markdown latest data. What else do we want? We want just to do st.data frame df.tail like this. Okay, am I satisfied? Yes, I am. So let's run this one. I go into another terminal. Live dashboard, cd source, streamlit, run dashboard.py, basically. Okay, and move this one there, and then move this one here. And you can see it's not showing anything because I haven't ran this one. I haven't called this function. Done the name equals to done the main run layout like this. So I run this one, always rerun. Yes, and we get live data. How do I know it's live? Yes, let's see, 0208 1549. 1652. Ooh, great. And I have each 10 seconds. Actually, you can make it longer. But let's see if we get any update here. 49. We don't get any updates. I update it manually. 50. Yes, we get an update after I manually updated it. Yes, I need to manually update it. Okay, that's bad. So let's not do the manual update. Instead, we should auto-refresh this. So let's go back here and do some auto-refreshing. And basically in order to do auto-refreshing, here is the layout. So count equals to st auto-refresh interval. How often do I want? 10 seconds is good because it's in milliseconds. Limit, let's say 100. I don't want it to run forever, even if it's quite cool. Data refresh. Okay, so basically this one, it will auto-refresh it. So if I run this one, okay, let's see. Does it auto-refresh? Let's see in the time, 51. All are 51. I think it's better if we wait a little. We let it run for a while and continue creating our code and then look back. Yes, it updated. I didn't do anything. You can see 52 now. It was 51. Will come another 52 soon, I think. Yes, 252. Ah, perfect. It has updated. And you can see the price have updated as well. Wow, now we have a live dashboard, but a dashboard with just a data frame. Okay, no matter. Let's create a chart because that is interesting. So let's latest data, and we can do like st.markdown best price in USD. Or now we have Bitcoin. We could have other coins, but let's see. This one should be under the data, or you can choose how you want to design it. Okay, so now I will just place in a chart, and I will create another script here that's called charts.py. And I will choose here to use matplotlib actually, because I cannot it cannot auto scale the st.line chart. So matplotlib is very simple here. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and then we need to install matplotlib, right? Create a new terminal, source.ven bin activate, uv pip install matplotlib. Okay, it's installed. So def line chart xy it should take, and then we'll take in options as well as keyword arguments, so we can reuse, so we can put in title, etc. So it comes in as a dictionary. So fig comma x equals plt.subplot 1. Okay, and then we'll do x.plot x comma y, and then let's do a line with 4. You can tweak this later on. And x.set title equals to options dot get title. We'll do options dot get x label options dot get y label. Okay, let's see. I've forgotten something. Options dot get. Yeah, that was title. X label equals to this one, and y label equals to this one. Okay, basically what this does is it picks out the options here. Or actually, even simpler, I could do like this. Star options. So basically, when you type in all the options, it comes into as a dictionary, and then I will just unload this dictionary basically and get out all the keys and values. It should probably work. So fig.type layout, and then return fig. Okay, that is it. And then I will import this one from here. So from chart, import line chart. And if we look at line chart, it has X, Y, and options, right? So just do some line chart now. Let's see what we should put in. We have DF, right? Have price chart equals to line chart. And what does it take? X equals to df.index, because I want to put in the timestamp. And we have y equals df.the price USD. And then we have title equals to price USD. Okay, so this is my price chart, and then I will do st.py plot, and I will put in my price chart. And I will do bbox. I think it's fine like this. Okay. Then we should get, if I added this one. Yes. Cool. We get a graph now. And you can see each 10 seconds it will update. Yeah, you see the updating here. We have a live dashboard. That is a very cool application, even if it's quite simple. But what it does is basically we have an auto refresh here, and it auto refresh within 10 seconds because we've chosen 10 seconds for getting in the data. And then we will get in the data into the Postgres sync, and we're reading from Postgres sync, basically. And then we create some very simple layout, and you can see data updating here, and you can see this one, this graph updating. It's going up here. Someone has bought. Cool. Okay. So actually I could be here and wait and just watch this for a very long time. However, let's stop now. Docker compose down. Yes, so I close this down. Yeah, and you can see it dies because we don't have our Docker container. We don't have Postgres database anymore, so it cannot find the data. So it died. That's fine. This one goes down. Yes. And it will close down soon. Okay, and with this you've seen how the data flows from the API. We have extracted it, published it into the topic, and then consumed from the topic and put it into Postgres sync. And after that, we have read it from the dashboard application, and we have done auto refreshing in order for it to update itself. So then we saw the graph updating. So that is super cool. Now we have a streaming application and served a live dashboard. And with this, I would like to thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye.